Miss Universe Philippines Garena 2024, Stephanie Faye Herrona. Practice ulit yun. More practice, more fun.
5, 6, 7, 8.
The Universe, Steffi. Good afternoon.
Hi, good
Hi.
afternoon. Hi, good afternoon everyone. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Sobrang grateful ako for each one of you. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much. Steffi, please. Sa lahat.
Of course, the personality.
Personality.
Of course, you will really shine with your positive self. And dun ka talaga makikilala mo your roots, how you are as a person, how you bring yourself to the world and to the universe.
And of course, congratulations.
Inviting you to go to Quirino because the people there are very warm. Kung ako nga is nararamdaman niyo yung pagmamahal ko and mga ginagawa ko, ang mga tao sa amin, ang mga Quirinians ay puno-puno din ng pagmamahal. Kapag pumasok ka pa lang sa Quirino, marami silang ngiti sa kanilang mga mukha, sa bibig, at mararamdaman mo yung kanilang puso. And bukod doon, yung mga pagkain namin, yung mga hinding-hinding, mga pinakbet, sobrang sarap, at isi-serve ka talaga namin ng mga masasarap na pagkain.
Mukhang masarap ka magluto, Steffi.
Yes.
Ano bang specialty mo na niluluto?
Chop suey.
Chop suey?
Yes, kasi mahilig ako sa gulay.
Very good. It's a good part of her. Kesa pa rin every time we get to see her. Kasi kita niyo naman, parang nung nakita ko siya, nung nakilala ko siya, bago niya sabihin na meron na siyang 3 kids, hindi ako makapaniwala talaga. Kasi parang fresh from school pa lang itong si Steffi. So, considering that, being a mom, being a businesswoman, and you wear many hats, what made you decide to be in this competition that is the Miss Universe Philippines?
In honesty, last year, sabi ko kay God, I cried one night. Sabi ko, bakit parang hindi ko na nagagawa yung mga bagay na nakakapagpasaya sa akin? Yes, I am a mother. Pero syempre, yes, that's very fulfilling. And as a mom, that's the greatest job that I could give in this world. And to any mom, alam natin yun. Pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, pero bakit parang may kulang, may spark? kulang yung spark. Sabi ko kay God, sana i-guide mo ko, ganyan. Tapos, and then this opportunity came that the Miss Universe has allowed mothers to join. And when I had this opportunity, I grabbed this opportunity because, you know, you don't get any opportunity like this all the time. So, when you have it, grab it and take it.
I love it.
Yes!
But I love it how you put it, that this kind of shining also on the Miss Universe Philippines grand final stage in a very short while. Are you excited for that?
Yes, actually I'm very excited because this is the very first pageant that I am joining. And ito pa lang yung first time ko mag-national pageant.
Wow.
So to be in this position, I am very grateful. Kasi it's not everyone mabibigyan ng chance to be in this platform. Miss Universe is a big help to me. Because as you all know, I've been doing charity even before. Nag-charity na ako. Being in Miss Universe has helped me a lot. Marami akong nakilala, like mental health, children, yung love for the children. Actually, I am helping Cribs Foundation, the children who are rape victims. And I really don't post it on my social media because this is something sensitive.
Right.
Kaya hindi ko siya talaga pinupost. But I've been helping this charity for 3 years now.
Right.
Actually, nakapagpatayo na kami ng building with them.
Wow.
With the help of my friends, JCI. And tinutulungan nila ako. So, in this platform, Miss Universe, sobrang laking natulong nila sa akin. They will help mga psychologists to bring to the foundation, save the children. So, ang dami talaga. So, being here in Miss Universe is a very powerful tool talaga sa mananalong beauty queen. If ako yung magiging next beauty queen and next Miss Universe, I believe marami pa akong matutulungan, marami pa akong mai-inspire, at saka lalo ko pang maitutuloy yung mga advocacy ko na hindi ko lang talaga siya ginawa ngayon or kahapon. Ginawa ko na siya noon pa nga.
Somebody walks the talk, and we feel it, and definitely I've seen it also as a good friend of yours as well. How much
Privilege to be together with the front runners and to be in this batch. Because as we all know, lahat sila sobrang gagaling. To be included here, I feel like I am a winner. Parang ang dami kong natutunan sa kanila. Each one of them has different purpose, has different walks, different talks, and different backgrounds. Actually, each one of them is very talagang palaban and talagang giving talaga sila. And of course, what I learned is that we can be an inspiration to everyone. Not just by being a beauty queen. Each one of us has a purpose and each one of us could give like a beauty queen.
Okay. Next question. Sorry. Pati yung questions ko. Ito yung favorite ng lahat. So, ready na ba?
Sana mamaya na yan, Ugel. Mamaya na yan.
Para mas
Wait lang,
energy.
wala,
So, Steffi, why should you be our next Miss Universe Philippines?
I believe the next Miss Universe Philippines should be passionate and been helping a lot of people. Wala naman itong time, no?
Wala.
Kasi, as a person, I myself, I believe that I should be the next Miss Universe Philippines to represent our country because I have so much love in our country. If you will get to see my social media from down to the very beginning, wala akong itatago na buong puso kong mahal ang Pilipinas. Palagi kong pinagmamalaki ang mga tao, tayong lahat, ang pagtutulungan at pagkakaisa. And naniniwala ako na kapag ako ang maging Miss Universe Philippines, mas marami pa akong matutulungang tao. I don't just give help to other people as a businesswoman. Instead, it's like you don't give somebody a fish, you teach them how to fish. My business is about local products, and I help them. Yung mga, kwento ko na din ha. During pandemic, marami kasi sa akin nanghihingi ng Gcash. Sabi ko, what can we do together para mag-work tayo? Hindi yung I cannot just give you something. Dapat kasi, I will teach you how to fish. So yun, nagbebenta daw siya marunong siya gumawa ng bulat, nagbebenta sila ng bigas. So during pandemic, that is when ako yung nagbebenta nun. And then, yun po. So, alam mo yun, kapag yung Miss Universe nyo is business-minded and marami siyang natutulungan, it's not just going to benefit her, but the whole country. And to be that Miss Universe, dapat meron siyang puso na hindi lang para sa sarili niya, kundi para tumulong din sa iba. Alam mo yun, parang feeling ko ako dapat yung maging Miss
Yes!
Iboto!
For someone who has the passionate heart and always positive, she does not judge people, hindi siya marunong magtanim ng sama ng loob, and and of course, you know, a mother's love could transcend the universe. And
Thank you. Welcome to Walk with a round of applause or cheer, Stephanie Faye Heron.
I have to speak with my heart. I don't really memorize things. When I speak, it's coming all from my heart. That's why, siguro lumabas lang yun nung time na yun, yung pagmamahal ko and excitement ko. Actually, all of you were cheering on me. Sobrang feel ko yung time na yun.
Ginaya pa kita.
Totoo, sobrang feel ko yan. Sobrang grateful talaga ako sa inyo with all honesty. Sobrang grateful ako kasi sinusupport niyo ako. It's not every... Alam mo yun, yung sa inyong lahat talaga, media. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi naman kami makikilala eh. Iba yung reach ninyo, iba yung pasabog, iba yung hatak nyo sa tao. Sobrang, sa totoo lang, marami akong messages na natatanggap from other people na, you know, not just with mothers kahit pala natapos na yung career ko, pwede ko pa rin pala gawin yung something passionate about. Parang hindi mo in-expect na marami palang supporters na nandiyan for me. So grateful talaga.
Thank you so much. And my last question. Of course, you're a mom. You are a mom and also a candidate of Miss Universe Philippines. May I ask, what are the challenges that you face, especially right now? Malapit na yung finals.
Ang pinaka-challenges talaga na nangyari sa akin during the pageant was nung nagkasakit yung tatlo kong anak. Una yung isa, sumunod yung dalawa, tapos hanggang sa naging sa tatlo na sila. I'm happy that Miss Universe Philippines organization is very helpful with me. Hindi nila ako pinabayaan kasi kahit na may sakit sila, they let me go home early. Naiintindihan nila as a mother that I also have to take care of my kids during when they are sick. So, talagang grateful ako kasi naiintindihan ako ng Miss Universe Philippines organization.
Thank you so much and congrats.
Actually, ikaw yung front and center na nawawalay ka sa mga anak mo ng ganung katagal. Anong opinion mo? Is it too long or sakto lang sa'yo?
For me, 3 months is not too long kasi the people will get to really know you. Nakikilala ka nila yung personality mo during the times that you are tired, during the times that you cannot really feel that you can't make it anymore. Kasi having a crown is not just a short term. We are applying for a job. To be the next Miss Universe is not just about beauty. We're applying to be the next Miss Universe, to be the next Philippines. If tayo mapapagod, bakit pa tayo mag-Miss Universe kung marami tayong reklamo? So, I believe this is not too long. And this is just the right time na parang it's not too long for you. Parang you get to know them more.
Become a rich early scale, meaning to say, lagi man kayo ng bulsa, tumatagas ang pera for voting, for events, for wardrobe, for everything. Makakausap pa ba ang isang kandidata para sa Miss Universe Philippines na hindi masyadong gumagastos ng pera?
Of course, minsan kahit nawala naman tayo, it's not about the money. It's the support from the other people. Kung mahal ka ng province mo, you will really go a long way. Kasi kahit na anong suotin mo dyan, pero kung yung personality mo is pack na pack, so makikilala ka talaga ng buong mundo, ng buong Pilipinas na you really come from the heart. Even though, if you don't have amount to pay for your makeup artist, why don't you learn it? Kasi of course, when you go outside the country, hindi naman na natin madadala yung makeup artist. You have to learn also. And of course, from the love of the social media people, actually binibigay niyo to rin sa amin ng libre, and you're sharing our posts with all of you. So, sobrang thankful kami kasi binibigay niyo to sa amin. And these things really is not more of the monetarily, but with all your heart. Stephanie Faye Hirano, from the Basket of Happiness, province of Quirino.
For being with us this afternoon and showing some more love and showing yourself to the world, or the universe rather, even better with this press con. Anong gusto mo sabihin sa kanila?
I would really like to thank of every one of you. Each one of you. Gusto ko talaga kayong i-hug. Kasi sobrang grateful ako, and without all of you, we are really not seen. Kasi talagang social media is really a big part of our journey. Sobrang grateful ako, and sobrang maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Yes!
Of course.
Steffi!
You're such a great person and a great mother as well. Balita. May pinagmanahan ng ganda, Steffi. Happy Father's Day po. Nung bata pa siya na, talagang gina niya hanggang ngayon, di ba? Hindi na siya bata, may tatlo na siyang mga anak. At syempre, kaharap niya ang buong mundo ngayon.
Ano po siya, kind, at saka generous, understanding and caring po. Hindi ba talaga? Ang nilagan po siya.
Sure. Magsasalita pa dito.
Kaya
Aww.
lahat ng pinagdaanan ko kung bakit ako marunong ako magbenta ng mga products. Kasi dahil kay mama, natuto ako magbenta ng ice candy, ng pastillas, ng yelo. Kasi kami yan ni mama. So, yes, that I am a strong person because of her. I love you, Mama. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day po. Naging mabuting ina po si Steffi dahil sa inyo. At dahil po dyan, makikita po natin ang talagang pagiging ina niya sa pamamagitan ng napaka-cute ng mga chikitain ni Steffi. Ayan, tigisan po kayo ng bulaklak. Maraming salamat kay Ayla and Summer. So cute. Wala lang si Kuya sa may pasok. Pero as you can see, a very beautiful family. Wow, maraming salamat.
Perfect. Ayun.
Mami?
When she saw me on TV, sabi niya, Mommy, I'm so proud of you. Kasi actually, pinanood nila yung pageant ko. Sabi nila, alam mo, Mommy, I wanna be like you. Sobrang thankful ako kasi sa pagmamahal nila. Kasi kahit pagod na when they hug me, you know, it's different. Parang nare-recharge ka. Their love is something different. And I never expected that I could love so much. Like, more than the love that I have for myself when I had the children. Nung nagkaanak na ako, dun ko mas lalong na-appreciate si mama. Sabi ko, now I understand why she's strict, why she's always telling me not to do this. Everything was all pala for me. That's when I understand her more. Kaya yun, mama. Happy Mother's Day.
So much maturity, of course, being a mom herself. Sabi nga ni Stephanie, it's a partnership. But, you know, together, sabi nga niya, you're growing. Ano yung, how did you appreciate your wife now that she joined Miss Universe Philippines and, you know, juggling all these things that you have to face both in this competition?
Siguro at first, nakita ko kay Steffi yung challenge siya sa mga activities niya, sa schedule, with the call times and everything. But after a few months, nakita ko yung love and dedication niya doon sa ginagawa niya. Tsaka kahit na pagod siya, never ko siyang narinig na nagreklamo na pagod siya. Talagang at the end of the day, masaya siya, excited siya. Gusto niyang gawin ulit yung activity tomorrow. Yun. Kaya sobrang galing. Sobrang galing ni Steffi. As in, wala akong masabi. Sobrang proud ako. Saka yung mga kids namin, sobrang proud sa kanya. Kaya, congrats and good luck. Love you.